Hello everyone, today let's learn something about trunk. After entering the interface of editing, you can see the video trunk is where the video and the audio trunk is where the audio, and the text trunk, efforts trunk, effects, stickers all have the same trunk. Audio text sticker can have multiple trunks. At the same time. Look, and so you can add multiply music just like this, and multiply effects, and multiply text and multiply sticks. That's it for the track course.